Hello guys, in this video I will connect a tin can as an antenna, so we will check if it increase the strength of the signal of my Wi-Fi router. First I will check without adding this tin can antenna to my Wi-Fi router. So I'm going back and I'm about 6-7 meters away from Wi-Fi router. Now I'm using an app on my mobile. It's called Wi-Fi Signal Meter. So my Wi-Fi is named with Belkin. I'm checking the strength of the signal. So Wi-Fi signal is approx 87 and the strength of the Wi-Fi router is 52 dBm. I can give you a look here. So the signal strength is 59 minus 59 and Wi-Fi signal is 86%. Now I will add antenna and check the difference. Now I'm adding this antenna to my Wi-Fi router. Tin can antenna. And let's check. I'm going back again and let's check again if it's work or not. So as you can see, I am on the same place as before without adding this Wi-Fi and tin can antenna to my Wi-Fi router. Now I'm again opening this app. It's called Wi-Fi Signal Meter. Let's get started. So you can see that the difference is quite large. The Wi-Fi signal is about 96 and the signal strength is minus 49 dBm. So it's a huge difference. So you can add this tin can antenna to a Wi-Fi router. This will increase the speed of your router. As you can see the difference, I'm on the same place, exact same place, and my Wi-Fi router is located far away. So please, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.